If you want to protect your personal information online and keep your privacy safe, watch this video till the end. We are going to change 3 important settings in Google Chrome to make your browsing experience much more private and secure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump straight into Google Chrome. After that, tap on 3 dots and go to Setting. Tap on Privacy and Security and tap on Safe Browsing here. By default, most people have a standard protection enabled, but I recommend switching to Enhanced Protection. Once you turn this on, Chrome will warn you when you visit suspicious websites or try to download harmful files. It basically helps block dangerous content before it reaches you. Next, let's fix another setting that most people don't even realize is stealing their data. Go back and open third-party cookies. Now select Block Third-Party Cookies. This stops websites from tracking you across the internet and collecting your personal information for ads or analytics. Finally, go back once more and find Preload Pages. By default, Chrome tries to predict and preload websites you might visit. That means it uses extra internet data and can slow down your phone, and it's not great for privacy either. So turn this option off as well. That's it. Now your Google Chrome is much more private, secure, and safe from unwanted tracking. Thank you so much for watching this video. 2 more useful videos are on the screen right now. Go and check them out. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which privacy topic you want me to cover next.